Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about employment-based immigration. First preference EB1. The first preference EB1 visa is a top-tier immigration option for individuals with extraordinary abilities, outstanding professors and researchers, and multinational executives. It offers a fast track to U.S. permanent residency, allowing exceptional professionals to contribute their expertise to the U.S. workforce. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. You may be eligible for an employment-based first preference visa if you are a non-citizen of extraordinary ability, are an outstanding professor or researcher, or are a certain multinational executive or manager. Each occupational category has certain requirements that must be met. Eligibility criteria for the first preference EB1 visa. The first preference EB1 visa category is an elite pathway to U.S. permanent residency designed for individuals with extraordinary abilities, outstanding professors and researchers and multinational executives or managers. Each subcategory has distinct eligibility criteria and evidence requirements to ensure that only those with exceptional qualifications and achievements benefit from this prestigious visa. Here's a detailed look at the eligibility criteria for each subcategory. 1. Extraordinary ability. To qualify under the extraordinary ability subcategory, you must demonstrate a level of expertise in your field that is significantly above that ordinarily encountered. This can be in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. The primary requirement is to prove that you have sustained national or international acclaim. Evidence requirements. You must meet at least 3 of the following 10 criteria, or provide evidence of a one-time achievement, such as a Pulitzer Prize, an Oscar, or an Olympic medal. Additionally, you need to show that you will continue to work in your area of expertise in the U.S. 1. Evidence of receipt of lesser nationally or internationally recognized prizes or awards for excellence. 2. Evidence of membership in associations that require outstanding achievements for membership. 3. Published material about you and your work in professional or major trade publications or other major media. 4. Evidence of participation as a judge of the work of others in your field. 5. Evidence of original contributions of major significance to your field. 6. Evidence of authorship of scholarly articles in professional journals or other major media. 7. Evidence of a leading or critical role in distinguished organizations. 8. Evidence of a high salary or other significantly high remuneration for services compared to others in the field. 9. Evidence of commercial successes in the performing arts. 10. Evidence of an established reputation and significant contributions to the field. No offer of employment or labor certification is required for this category. 2 outstanding professors and researchers. For those applying as outstanding professors or researchers, you must demonstrate international recognition for your achievements in a specific academic field. This subcategory is tailored for individuals who have made significant contributions to their field and have been recognized on a global scale. Evidence requirements. You must meet at least 2 of the following 6 criteria and provide an offer of employment from a U.S. employer. The U.S. employer must be a university, institution of higher education, or a private employer that employs at least 3 full-time researchers. 1. Evidence of receipt of major prizes or awards for outstanding achievement. 2. Evidence of membership in associations that require outstanding achievement. 3. Evidence of published material in professional publications written by others about your work. 4. Evidence of participation as a judge of the work of others in your field. 5. Evidence of original contributions of major significance to the field. 6. Evidence of authorship of scholarly books or articles in scholarly journals. No labor certification is required for this subcategory, but an offer of employment is necessary. 3. Certain multinational managers or executives. This subcategory is for individuals who have worked for a multinational company in a managerial or executive capacity and are being transferred to a U.S. office of the same company to qualify. You must have been employed outside the U.S. for at least 1 year in the 3 years preceding your petition, or since your most recent lawful entry if you are already employed by the petitioning U.S. employer. Evidence requirements. Your US employer must have been in business for at least 1 year, have a qualifying relationship with the entity you worked for abroad, and intend to employ you in a managerial or executive capacity. The petitioning employer must provide evidence of its business operations and the qualifying relationship with the foreign entity. Show that the foreign entity has been operating for at least 1 year and that you were employed in a managerial or executive role. No labor certification is required for this category. Each subcategory of the EB1 visa is designed to ensure that those who are granted this visa have demonstrated exceptional skills, achievements, and contributions in their respective fields, supporting their eligibility for US permanent residency. Criteria for demonstrating extraordinary ability. To demonstrate you have sustained national or international acclaim and that your achievements have been recognized in your field of expertise, you must either include evidence of a one-time achievement, major internationally, recognized award, or 3 of the 10 listed criteria below, or 3 of the 10 listed criteria below or comparable. Evidence if any of the criteria do not readily apply. 1. Evidence of receipt of lesser nationally or internationally recognized prizes or awards for excellence. 2. Evidence of your membership in associations in the field that many ding achievement of their members. 3. Evidence of published material about you in professional or major trade publications or other major media. 4. Evidence that you have been asked to judge the work of others, either individually or on a panel. 5. Evidence of your original, scientific, scholarly, artistic, athletic, or business-related contributions of major significance to the field. 6. Evidence of your authorship of scholarly articles in professional or major trade publications or other major media. 7. Evidence that your work has been displayed at artistic exhibitions or showcases. 8. Evidence of your performance in a leading or critical role in distinguished organizations. 9. Evidence that you command a high salary or other significantly high remuneration about others in the field. 10. Evidence of your commercial successes in the performing arts. For more information on extraordinary ability, read our policy in Volume 6, Part F, Chapter 2 of the USCIS Policy Manual. Examples of documentary evidence that a person is an outstanding professor or researcher. To demonstrate you are an outstanding professor or researcher, you must include evidence of 2 of the 6 listed criteria below, or comparable evidence if any of the criteria do not readily apply. 1. Evidence of receipt of major prizes or awards for outstanding achievement. 2. Evidence of membership in associations that require their members to demonstrate outstanding achievement. 3. Evidence of published material in professional publications, written by others about the non-citizen's work in the academic field. 4. Evidence of participation, either on a panel or individually, as a judge of the work of others in the same or allied academic field. 5. Evidence of original scientific or scholarly research contributions in the field. 6. evidence of authorship of scholarly books or articles in scholarly journals with international circulation in the field. For more information on outstanding professors and researchers, read our policy in Volume 6, Part F, Chapter 3 of the USCIS Policy Manual. For more information on multinational executives or managers, read our policy in Volume 6, Part F, Chapter 4 of the USCIS Policy Manual. Application process. Extraordinary ability. You may apply for yourself by filing a Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker. Outstanding professors and researchers. Your US employer must file a Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker as part of the application process. Your employer must be able to demonstrate a continuing ability to pay the offered wage. As of the priority date, your employer may use an annual report, federal income tax return, or audited financial statement to demonstrate a continuing ability to pay your wage. Multinational manager or executive. Your US employer must file USCIS Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker as part of the application process. Your employer must be able to demonstrate a continuing ability to pay the offered wage. As of the priority date, your employer may use an annual report, federal income tax return, or audited financial statement to demonstrate a continuing ability to pay your wage. For more information on filing fees, see File My Application online. Family of EB1 visa holders. If your I-140 petition is approved, your spouse and unmarried children under the age of 21 may be eligible to apply for admission to the United States in E14 or E15 immigrant status, respectively. The EB1 visa is a prestigious opportunity for top talent to achieve US permanent residency. By meeting its high standards, exceptional individuals can access new professional opportunities and make a significant impact in their fields. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about employment-based immigration first preference EB1. The first preference EB1 visa offers a prestigious route to US permanent residency for individuals with extraordinary abilities, outstanding professors and researchers, and multinational executives or managers. Each category within the EB1 visa has specific eligibility criteria. For the extraordinary ability category, applicants must demonstrate a high level of expertise in their field, whether in sciences, arts, businesses, or athletics. They need to prove sustained national and international acclaim by meeting at least 3 of 10 criteria or showing a one-time major achievement such as Pulitzer Prize or an Olympic medal. Criteria include having received notable awards, membership in distinguished associations, published material about the applicant's work, original contributions of major significance, or a high salary compared to peers. No job offer and labor certification is required. In the outstanding professors and researchers category, applicants must have international recognition in the academic field and meet at least 2 out of 6 criteria. These include receiving major awards, membership in exclusive associations, published material written by others about their work, judging others' work, or authorship of scholarly books or articles. An offer of employment from a US university, research institution, or a private employer with at least 3 full-time researchers is required, but with no labor certification is necessary. For certain multinational executives or managers, the applicant must have worked in a managerial or executive role for at least 1 year in the last 3 years for a multinational company with a US office. The US employer must have been operating for at least 1 year, maintain a qualifying relationship with the foreign entity, and intend to employ the applicant in a managerial or executive capacity. No labor certification is required. The application process involves filing Form I-140, Petition for Alien Worker. For extraordinary ability, individuals can apply themselves, while outstanding professors and researchers and multinational executives or managers must have their US employers file on their behalf. Approved EB1 visa holder families can also apply for US admission. This visa provides exceptional individuals with opportunity to make significant contributions to the US.